Shut the fuck up! Come on, in the back!
Hands behind your back!
Oh, come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it!
I'll do it, I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there!
Sit tight! I'll handle the blasting!
Don't blow yourself up! Listen up! Hurry!
What's he doing?
Em, get these assholes in the closet!
Leave us alone!
In the back!
We didn't
Come
do
on!
shit to you!
All set! Phone it in!
All right, we gonna do this?
Show me the money!
Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady.
We're just taking... Oh, there's enough here for us all to enjoy.
Depends on how you look at it.
Come on, move it! Coming out, B! Give it up! I got him! I saw your face, I'll remember you.
Get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
I've seen his eyes! He's crazy!
I'll try to make this pain...
Fuck! You didn't have to do that!
Let's get going! There'll be time for grieving later!
Yeah, you got that right.
Move!
I'm setting the charges. They're on a timer, so brace yourselves.
Oh, fuck, you hear that? Sirens!
Fuck the cops! T, hit the shutter switch.
What's this? Local resistance?
It ain't supposed to go down like this.
It never is! Come on, go!
Oh, shit!
Get out of the way!
Fuck these guys!
Drop it, prick!
Get out of the way or suffer the consequence!
Let's move! Come on!
Press forward! Car's up here! Let's go!
Move! Come on!
The kid might have failed! This wasn't in the job description! Get out of here!
They answered the wrong call!
I ain't laying down for them!
What the fuck is this? Let's get out of here!
Every man for himself! Get in here! What took you so long?
Shut the fuck up and drive!
See that shit? Fucking put that bitch's face against the glass. Did you see that?
Yeah, you're a real stout.
Fuck, how'd that happen? Go, 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 go! Jeez, I think they're gonna... Oh, fuck! Local yokel, what? Guy's a dick! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Come on, let's get to the chopper! We move quick, we can beat the train!
We're getting there!
Cops! Coming our way!
Be cool! We ain't made this car yet!
Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it. Shit, shit, shit! Roadblock!
Go right! Beat the train, man!
You guys alright?
Fuck! Come on! Ditch the car, all right? We can go this way to the chopper.
No! Hey! Stick to the plan.
What?
Stick to the fucking plan. Come on.
Where the fuck's the chopper? Fuck. I'm gonna check around back. Ah!
Ah! The fucking bed! Someone must have fucking talked!
Alright, Brad's gonna be fine. We gotta get the fuck out of here. Ah, fuck. I'm hit. Oh, Jesus. T, you gotta get out of here.
I'm gonna leave you, Mikey!
Go! God, I'm not gonna make it. Fucking gonna bleed out. Go.
No! Fuck!